Multiplication of two matrices using MS Excel function MMULT, figure 1.7. A. First check the dimensions of the matrices. The number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. A 2 by 3 and B 3 by 2. The dimension of the resulting matrix will then be 2 by 2, the number of rows of the first matrix multiplied number of columns of the second matrix. B. Select the solution space 2 by 2 on the Excel sheet. Now press equal. This will go to the top corner of the selected space. Always start with equal while using the Excel formula. Use MMULT to find the product of the two matrices by simultaneously pressing Ctrl, Shift and Enter.